In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters with Wix Studio. Let's dive right in and take it step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process. This guide will help you to use this powerful feature to enhance the functionality of your website. To begin, head over to the Wix Studio website. This is the web platform designed specifically for agencies and enterprises, providing powerful tools for professional web design and development. Once you're on the home page, look for the login section. You're going to want to click on the login button. This will direct you to the login page where you can sign into your Wix account. If this is your first time here, you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you're already logged in, this process will go a little quicker for you. Next, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This is a convenient option if you've linked your Google account with Wix. Using this method saves time, as it's a seamless way to gain access and sync your accounts across different platforms. Once your account is loaded, you'll find yourself in the editor. Now look for the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Click on it and you'll open up a whole menu of options that you can incorporate into your site design. From this expanded menu, find and click on Layout Tools. Layout tools are crucial as they provide you with the framework and structure you need to organize your content effectively, ensuring a coherent and visually appealing arrangement on your web page. Next, within the layout tools, you want to focus on the repeaters option. Click on repeaters to open up a selection of templates. Repeaters are immensely useful because they allow you to display multiple items, like products or blog posts, in a structured and flexible way without having to manually create each one. This not only saves time but also ensures a consistent look and feel throughout your site. Now it's time to choose from the options available. Select a repeater style that suits your design preferences and site objectives. Once you've made your selection, you can drag and drop the repeater onto your page. This is a simple click and drag action, making the process intuitive and user-friendly. As you place the repeater, consider its placement carefully to maintain balance and focus on your page's important elements. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated repeaters into your Wix Studio project. By following these steps, you've added a dynamic component to your site. Repeaters are a fantastic tool for efficiently displaying content in a professional and organized manner. Feel free to explore and customize further, ensuring the final result aligns with your vision. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy designing.